So I decided that because I'm a salon professional, I should probably design an app that would work very good for the salon. So I went about this by first, I did some research on, okay, a lot of salons use iPads as one of their primary sources of checkout, and a lot of stylists actually will use their phones during um, the session so that they can either get pictures or they can show them pictures, etc. So this is actually the tablet form, and I decided that in the tablet form you will need to schedule appointments, so you can pick a day, pick a month, stuff like that. You need to go back. You can confirm appointments on this screen. So this would be all of the appointments for the 13th. And this is where you would write your text, and you can send it as an email, send as a phone call, or send as a text, depending on how that client would like to be contacted. The photo portfolio is actually something that I found really important. You can navigate through it, and then if they want to look at some of the work that you've done, they can kind of click through and see like, oh, okay, these are some of the colors that they've done. You can check out the client, adding in the product here, the quantity here. This is their total ticket price, so it's just going to pull it up when you click on that person. And then you're going to hit pay with cash, submit payment, and then slide their card or take their cash. And then add inventory. I felt like this was really important for the tablet view because honestly, people go through a lot of inventory. So added more here. You're going to scan the barcode and the quality and hit add products. So this will put it in the final. So the phone menu is a little bit different. It is actually scrollable. In the portfolio, or in the, I'm so sorry, in the personal information, you can edit your information that way. Add a picture, etc. In the appointments, you're going to be able to look at the appointments that you have for the day. Now, this is connected to the tablet view. And then the appointment dates, or the appointments that have been done, these are the services that you've done per month. And so you can look at, okay, this month, from this day to this day, I did 30 minutes or 30 women's cuts, 25 men's cuts, 10 children's cuts, and my average time per cut was about 45 minutes. Same with photos. So this is how it gets onto your portfolio. So after I take a photo, I can hit save to portfolio, select what kind of service it is, name the photo, add any products used, and hit save, and it'll save it and take me back. So I kind of felt like this was a really simple interface to use. There's no hamburger icons. You just click, click, save everything, you're done. They connect to each other so that the stylist can take pictures and send it to the portfolio. They can have access to their schedule, but on the phone view, they actually cannot schedule appointments. This makes it so that if they're out and about, they can check their schedule, but they also don't have to worry about being able to schedule appointments. That's all on their client. So this is how my app turned out. Thanks for watching.